Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we will explore UnitedHealth Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of negative 2.4. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of 33.67%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 1.05% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline ahead. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 36% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from a decline of over 52% to just under 3%. From a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a decrease of around 20%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from a decline of nearly 29% to an increase of over 53% in the next year. In today's terms, this would translate to a future price range between $213.16 and $461.63. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for UnitedHealth Group. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, the UnitedHealth Group stock price decreased by 1.15%. Dropping from $304.72 to $301.22. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.90%, ranging from a low of $300.01 to a high of $305.72. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has seen a decline of 4.64%. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day, alongside the stock price, which is generally seen as a positive indicator, since volume should align with price movements. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 5 million shares, with a total of 13 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $3.83 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $630.73, while the lowest price was $248.88. Currently, the stock price is 52.24%, or $329.51. Below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth's recent announcements reveal a pivotal moment for the company. Following its first earnings miss in over 17 years, the chief executive officer has vowed to reform the Medicare Advantage segment, which has faced soaring costs and squeezed margins. This proactive stance could bolster investor confidence in the short term, especially if the reforms lead to improved financial performance. Additionally, UnitedHealth is currently facing multiple class action lawsuits related to alleged securities law violations. These legal challenges introduce a layer of uncertainty, potentially impacting investor sentiment and driving stock volatility in the near term. However, legal actions often have prolonged timelines, suggesting that the long-term outlook may not be as dire, provided the company can navigate these challenges successfully. On a more positive note, UnitedHealth's strong market position and diversified operations support its long-term fundamentals. Despite recent turbulence, the company reported adding significant numbers of Medicare Advantage members in the first quarter, alongside robust growth from its Optum Health subsidiary. This diversification is crucial as it indicates potential for sustained revenue growth. Analysts suggest that UnitedHealth remains undervalued at present, trading below its historical averages, making it an attractive option for long-term investors. Although the short-term outlook remains clouded by regulatory and legal scrutiny, the company's inherent strengths suggest a potential rebound and margin improvement, affirming its position in the healthcare sector. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned UNH a reduced rating, accompanied by a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, Wolf Research reported a rating of outperform for UNH, with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, Cowen & Company gave UNH a hold rating, also with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, Morgan Stanley rated UNH as overweight with a hold action. On the same day, Raymond James assigned UNH a market perform rating, also resulting in a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. They suggest viewing the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, and so far it has risen nearly 10%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The UnitedHealth Group stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $377.92. Conversely, if it declines, the stock will find support from the short-term average at $299.24. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will create an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative outlook. Notably, volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume should ideally follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 36 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 30 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 33 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $296.67. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, exhibiting a high level of volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $5.71 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.90%. Throughout the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.16%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either low expectations for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.30. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for UnitedHealth Group stands at $302.98. If you do not currently hold any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this might be a suitable point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, UnitedHealth Group faces its first support level at $296.67. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider sale of 2,525 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, John F. Rex conducted an insider purchase of 17,175 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley also conducted an insider purchase of 86,700 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider purchase of 602,773 shares of non-qualified stock options, granting the right to buy. On the 14th of May, 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 1,533 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 86.318. Overall, insiders purchased 1,043,538 shares and sold 72,964 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group exhibits several negative signals, indicating that it's likely to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of June, we anticipate UnitedHealth Group will open higher by $1.10, starting its trading at $302.32. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.